Hi, I'm Ollie from Foresters. We're a family-owned chicken processing plant. The packers here at Foresters love ZeroTape. It's easy to hold, easy to use, and to be honest, it pretty much does the work for you. Using ZeroTape is very easy, no instructions are required, it's just a free-flowing movement straight over the box. One of the other benefits of ZeroTape is that it's very quiet to use, and during a full day's production, that's very handy. Since using ZeroTape, productivity has increased, we have less downtime and the rolls last much longer. I'd recommend ZeroTape because it's comfortable and quick to use and definitely increases productivity.